the world of millionaires, age is no bar. Picture this. While some teens are mulling over their latest video game strategy, others are crafting blueprints for their first million. Dive with us into the secrets of those who've made it big before they even turned 20. It's a journey of ambition, persistence, and innovation. 1. Start early, think big. While most kids dream, some enact. There's a special power to starting young. Adolescence is a time of unparalleled creativity, where barriers are more perceived than real. Harnessing this boundless energy and imagination at a young age is key. This isn't just about making a quick buck. It's about cultivating a mindset. The world's most transformative entrepreneurs, from Bill Gates to Mark Zuckerberg, started their ventures in their teens. Their success isn't merely about the business, but about spotting and believing in an idea before anyone else. So, you've harnessed your young energy, but where to channel it? 2. Embrace technology. If you're not online, you're missing out. The digital age is a blessing for budding entrepreneurs. Think of the internet as the biggest platform where you can carve your niche. You can kickstart a business with just a laptop and an idea. It's not only about tech-based endeavors like apps or websites. E-commerce, content creation, and online consulting are realms where teens have made millions. Platforms like YouTube, Shopify, and Instagram have created younger millionaires than Wall Street ever did. Embracing technology doesn't mean just using it, but understanding its potential and making it work for you. Harnessing technology is vital, but what's the key to maximizing your earnings from it? 3. Learn from failures. In the dictionary of millionaires, failure is another word for lesson. Failure isn't the opposite of success, it's a part of it. Every stumbling block provides invaluable lessons. Many successful teen entrepreneurs faced numerous failures before hitting their gold mine. But what set them apart? They didn't see failure as a setback, but as feedback. Instead of getting disheartened, they analyzed their mistakes, understood their shortcomings, adapted their strategies, and came back stronger. If you want to be rich as a teen, develop a resilient mindset where failures are just stepping stones on the path to success. Building resilience is key, but how do you ensure your financial growth doesn't hit a ceiling? 4. Never stop educating yourself. School might end, but learning never should. In a rapidly changing world, stagnation is the real setback. Formal education, while valuable, often only skims the surface of what's out there. But the real treasures, they lie beyond the conventional. Every online seminar, every late-night article reading, every challenging book adds layers to one's expertise. Teen millionaires understand that while degrees might open doors, it's the relentless pursuit of knowledge that builds empires. They harness the power of the digital era, tapping into a global reservoir of information and networking opportunities. As they consistently evolve, adapt, and grow, they transform knowledge into their most formidable asset. With knowledge as your currency, where do you invest it? 5. Diversify your streams of income. It's risky to have only one source of income. Building multiple income streams is like setting up safety nets. If one venture faces a downturn, others can sustain your financial growth. Start with one business or investment, and once it's stable, explore other avenues. It could be a new venture, an investment in stocks, real estate, or even passive income streams like affiliate marketing or royalties from intellectual properties. Especially as a teen, when you have time and energy on your side, diversifying creates a sturdy financial foundation for the future. Income streams flow, but are you channeling them correctly? 6. Budget like a pro. Millionaires don't just earn, they plan. One of the most underrated skills in the journey to becoming rich is budgeting. It's not just about tracking expenses, but allocating resources efficiently. Every dollar you earn as a teen entrepreneur should have a purpose. Reinvestments, savings, expenses, and even leisure. Using tools and apps, Keeping a keen eye on inflow and outflow and planning for contingencies are pivotal. This ensures you don't just earn millions but retain and grow them. Remember, it's not about how much you make, but how much you keep. Financial prudence is vital, but what about societal responsibility? 7. Give back to the community. True wealth is not in what you have, but in what you give. As you embark on your millionaire journey, remember the community around you. The most respected millionaires are those who understand the importance of giving back. Allocate a portion of your profits for charitable endeavors or causes close to your heart. This doesn't just build a positive image, but brings a fulfillment that money alone can't. Many young entrepreneurs have started socially conscious ventures, ensuring their business success also uplifts the community. As you uplift others, how do you elevate your own ventures? 8. Budget like a pro. A well-crafted budget is the financial compass guiding through the storms towards the treasure. In today's fast-paced world, managing finances is akin to steering a ship through a storm. A budget isn't merely a ledger of expenses and incomes. It's the captain of the ship. By meticulously noting down and tracking every penny, teen entrepreneurs gain a clearer picture of their financial health. This clarity allows them to allocate funds efficiently, spot unnecessary expenditures, and prioritize investments. Astute teen millionaires are acutely aware of the power of proactive budgeting, using it not just to navigate present challenges, but to chart the course for future financial ventures. 9. Give back to the community. True affluence is measured not in what we accumulate, but in what we contribute. In the journey to amass wealth, the new generation doesn't lose sight of the bigger picture. They recognize that with great power comes great responsibility. Wealth, in their eyes, isn't just a personal milestone, but a means to effect change. By investing in community projects, supporting local initiatives, and championing charitable causes, they transform their success into societal progress. They understand that the true essence of being rich isn't just in the depth of one's pockets, but in the depth of one's impact. For these teens, giving back is not an afterthought, it's a mission. 10. Scale your business. From a spark to a blaze, scaling is the art and science of transforming small successes into phenomena. Business, for the young millionaire, is not a static entity, it's an evolving organism. Once they achieve a certain level of success, they don't merely sit back and revel in it. They ask, what's next? Scaling isn't just about expanding but evolving. It's about tapping into new demographics, understanding diverse markets, and staying attuned to global trends. This requires a blend of intuition, strategy, and adaptability. From diversifying product lines to exploring untapped markets, teen entrepreneurs are ceaselessly pushing boundaries, ensuring that their business blaze shines brighter with each passing day. The journey to your first million is paved with challenges, innovations, setbacks, and victories. With determination, knowledge, and a dash of audacity, that millionaire dream is not just achievable, it's inevitable. So to all budding teen entrepreneurs, the future is yours to mold. Dream big, hustle hard, and remember, every millionaire journey starts with a single step.